Moise is the prophet of Judaism, lived 120 years old, 18 years in Egypt and 40 in Canaan. Moise was a human being like we. If Moise lived 120 years old, we may be have 120 years old also. There are conditions. We saw the first condition in the first video. So right now, we are going to see the second condition. We have to respect them in order to have 120 years old in the healthy body. Welcome to Objective Santé, your well-being channel. Will allow you to discover the functioning of our organism. We are a machine. We need to be fixed all the days. But how to do that maintenance? It's very easy. We don't need somebody others. We have to fix ourselves to know how to do. So we are always consulting in each hand of hero it to look for the sickness, to be sure that a pernicious disease isn't beginning. We have to avoid that. So how to do to fix our organism all the time? It's very easy. We yourself will choose to have a vacation for your organism, and your organism will fix himself. How? Let's go to watch that video and come back to conclude. So, what are the conditions of longevity in everybody? In the first video, we talked about the first condition. You have to choose what you eat. So right now, we are talking about the second condition. When you have a food, your organs, your body will be crushed, and your body will select the nutrient, and our body will eliminate wash. So we are a machine, like a mobile phone. When you buy a mobile phone, it will give you a functioning. We are also machine, and we have our functioning. And when you respect that, you're able to live at least 120 years old. So right now, in the second step, to be able to give a vacation to our body, it's a machine who is working. You have to break because we need to do machine maintenance. How do we stop our machine? It's very easy. Stop eating something. You need a day what you want, and you don't eat something, and we call that fast. Fasting is the second step of longevity. To have a healthy body, you have to fast. To fast. Fasting is one condition of longevity. What happens when you are fasting? The thirst, your machine know during your fasting how to fix himself. So all the policeman, the customer officer, the firefighter, the prison guardian, which are in your body, are going to do what they have to do. So they will eliminate all the foreigner inside, all the strong thing in your body. So you can't eliminate it from your skin by perspiration. So when you are fasting, you will realize that your urinate smell bad or sweet smell bad. So when you are fasting, your cells will have the sickness cells. So the pernicious disease will like to set in will be aided by the better cells. So cancer takes 10 years to settle in our cells. So when you are fasting, you will get out of all the pernicious disease like a cancer we can't take place in your cell. When you are fasting, your cells which are in the better will destroy the cells of cancers. Thus, when you are fasting, your cell will fix himself. In medicine, we talk about mitosis. So, when after fasting, you are becoming younger. So when you are fasting, you are always becoming younger, better, and beautiful because of fasting. So in the first video, we'll say the first condition of longevity. Thank you very much.
Ça, faut chercher le son des trucs là. Là. Allez, on descend. 10, on bloque ici. 5 on bloque, on descend, on bloque. 3, 4.
Faut caler d'abord.
10, on dépose. Allez, on tape bien devant. On tire comme ça. 1, 2, 3. Au contraire. Au contraire. On va plus photo. Allez, on compte dessus. 1, 2.
Faut aller sur Facebook, tu vas aller trouver ton photo là-bas. C'est vous comme ça qui n'ont pas fait connexion. Vous accusez les gens.
Here, the second step of longevity. First, we choose your food and put that in our body. So you have to choose healthy food. Second, you have to go to vacation and your organs will fix himself. That's the second condition of longevity. So we are the machine You have to fix it all the time. Thank you very much. So see you for the third condition.